people who try streaming quit because they don't understand what it really takes to succeed. It can feel overwhelming, and frustration sets in quickly when growth doesn't come easily. Let's make it easy with a straightforward approach. Keep it simple. We're going to break down success into 3 clear and practical steps. Make sure to follow all of them, as they all work hand in hand. If I started streaming in 2025, my first move wouldn't be to stream endlessly. Instead, I'd focus on creating a solid content strategy. Step 1. Stream less, plan more. Stop grinding for hours to empty rooms. Instead, spend time brainstorming unique, fun ideas that help you stand out. For example, rather than a regular Elden Ring run, imagine streaming Elden Ring, but every death shrinks my character. Adding creative twists makes your streams engaging and unforgettable. But here's something most people overlook. The way your stream looks matters just as much as your ideas. If your visuals are plain, viewers will click away. That's why great VTubers overlays and assets are a game changer. Great VTubers offers premium overlays and designs that make your stream look polished and professional. Whether you want sleek, futuristic themes or fun, playful designs, they've got you covered. A professional appearance can instantly grab attention and show your audience that you're serious about streaming. Step 2. Make the most of your live content. Instead of just streaming for hours, focus on creating short, shareable clips for platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. These bite-sized videos can help you reach a much larger audience. Use tools like Streamlabs or CapCut to quickly turn your best moments into engaging short-form content. A great clip can go viral and bring in new viewers. Step 3. Make your content stand out even before people watch it. Eye-catching thumbnails and titles are essential for YouTube and other platforms. Use free tools like Pixlr to create visuals that pop and write titles that spark curiosity, like Elden Ring, but every death shrinks my character. Can I even finish? Streaming in 2025 isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Plan better, repurpose your best moments, and elevate your visuals with great VTubers to capture attention from the start. For more tips and strategies, check out my other videos on content creation and platform growth. I'll see you in the next one.